Yes, so good afternoon, student. Pierre, a colleague was asking to go over assignment D number 1, which deals with composite functions. And as you know, we touched on that already. We talked about that. We talked about composite functions, whereby it's almost like there we go, a 3-step process. You basically identify the domain function. Okay, the domain function is always on the right. Okay, so once you have composite, you start from the right. Bear in mathematics, bear in mind in mathematics, you can read from left to right, up, down. Okay, you can even start from the center. You can read in any direction in mathematics. So you start from the right and you always approach a composite function problem starting on the right. So that's where the domain function is. Then you create brackets now of the variable x in the range function, which is always on the left. So the left one is always the range function. So you substitute the domain into the range, okay? And the third step now, you simplify, okay, by clearing the brackets. So therefore now, so tell us what you did for number 1A, for example, because as we said, you sharing your answers, that means you verifying. So I am not doing it for you. You are telling me what you are doing. So it says find fg of x. So what did you do to find fg of x? What comes after the equal sign? Open bracket. So she's saying open bracket x plus 2 close bracket. Yeah. Open bracket x plus 2 close bracket. What next? Plus 1. So as you can see, she started from the right, which is g of x. So the x plus 2, she substituted into the place of the x plus 1. Okay, so the x plus 2 in a bracket into the x place plus 1. And you simplify, clear the brackets, so that will be x plus 2 plus 1. So that will be x plus 3. So you all verify to see whether that's what you have. Okay, but as far as I can see, it seems to be on the right track. But the question also say to find gf of x. So what did you do to get gf of x? So she says she open bracket. Remember, it's A we're doing A. So she open bracket, and what comes? X plus 1 plus 2. So what she did now, she started from the right again. Okay. So the persons that are joining, we are clarifying the question. A student is asking for question number 1 on composite functions. So we started already. So we are doing gf of x. All right. So as you can know, you can remember from the 3-step process, you always start from the right. Okay. So if you want to find gf, you start from the right, and the first thing you see is f. So you take f. F is the domain function. You grab all of f in a bracket and you put it into G. Okay, so here it is, and then you have a plus 2. And from there on, you simplify, clear brackets, plus 2, and that will give you x plus 3 again. Coincidentally, you get the same answer. So it seems to be on the right track. So therefore now, yes. So I think the others will confirm that that's what you do for composite functions. For question number 1A, so you do that for B, C, and D.